How to download Metal TV on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Metal TV on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to metal.tv. After you type that in, you'll be on this website right here. You can log in if you have an account, but it's completely alright. You can download it even if you have not logged in. So on the top, you will see the download button on the top right corner. Simply tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will be able to download it. Now here you can see the download button right here as well. So tap on any one of these and let it load. So there you can see now after it starts loading, I'll just cancel one since one's been downloading. So after it starts downloading, you'll have to wait till it's download. It can take some time depending on your internet speed. So just let it download. And after it downloads, you can easily set it up by going through the setup process and you're good to go. And that's basically how you download Metal TV. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.